Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone, but I am back with this wig tutorial for you guys. Yes sis, it's a wig, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it. So if you want to see, keep on watching. Alright, so today we're going to be using hair from Lassie Beauty, which is a Amazon store. I'm going to leave the link down below to the store, and I'm going to give you guys details on the store in a little bit. But she sent me these one curls for review, and I'm going to show you guys how I used them to make this crochet unit today. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is how the hair looks fresh out the packet. I got 6 packs. Here is a close-up of a texture shot. Just some nice kinky curly ombre one curls, like a nice little brown to a honey blonde at the ends. It's really cute. Today I'm going to be using this weaving cap from the brand called Magic, and this is the one with the it has a nice stretch and it has like the holes in it like a mesh. Yeah, really cheap and easy to find. I'm also going to be using my handy dandy mannequin head. No, this one was not attached to a wig stand. I just kind of just put it between my legs and just, you know, improvised. But the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting my cap onto my mannequin head. And I did put it down on the wrong side. I'm going to be tying the excess cap so that I don't end up using too much hair. Some people tend to cut this off, but I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to actually flip the cap back on the right side and work on the wig that way. That way the knot will be underneath the cap and not on top. Alright, so, and in the event you need more room, you can always just undo it if the wig cap gets too tight after putting the hair on. So I took apart one of the packets just to count how many locks of hair are in there, and I believe you get 20 curls in each. Don't quote me on that, between 15 and 20. So I opened up the curl and I'm just going to go through now and attach them to the cap. One of the things you need to remember when you're working on crochet braids or any type of crochet style or whatever, don't concentrate all of the hair to the back. You're going to need the hair to be thick and full at the top and at the front. So when you're working on the back, just space them out as much as possible. So that's what I'm doing. And with each I don't know what that's called, with every time I put the needle through the cap itself, I don't take up more than 3 loops of mesh, if that makes sense. So you don't want to make that too tight, because if you do, then your wig cap is going to end up being way too tight and it won't fit by the time you're done adding all the hair. So that's a mouthful. I'm just going to go ahead and just let you guys watch what I'm doing, because all I'm doing is repeating myself. So yeah, I'm just going to add as much hair as I can to the back part of the wig without making it too full, of course. Alright, so for the back section, I ended up using 2 packs, so I still do have 4 packs remaining at this point, and it's nice and full, it's not scanty. So that just goes to show the hair itself is very thick, so you don't need to use like a lot of hair. I just wanted mine to be extremely full, so I used the 6 packs, but that right there is 2 packs. So I'm going to show you guys how I did the bang portion, because of course it's shorter than the rest of the hair. What I did was I cut each curl into half, and then I'm going to crochet it on just like normal, but I'm going to actually take 1 lock of hair, fold it into a half just like I would with the rest of the hair, and then just crochet it on. But when you put it on, you want to make sure that you tie it really good, because curly hair tends to unravel easily. So that's basically it. I just repeated this all around the front section where my bang is going to be. This way it has like nice alternating lengths, and it has like a nice layered bang instead of something that looks blunt and, you know, just like weird. So I'm just going to add as much hair as I think I need in my bang section. When my wig is done, this is what it looks like. It's nice and full. It has a nice closed up discreet closure area, nothing that looks obvious that make it look like, oh, it's a wig. So I'm gonna put it on for you guys now, show you guys what I'm working with, and it goes on pretty easy. I still have a lot of room under there. It's not tight or anything like that, but I'm just positioning it just the way I want it to be in terms of where the curls are gonna fall, and just to make sure that I'm comfortable in it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and trim it a little bit after fluffing it, because I want to the curls to kind of like fall in a particular way. So I'm just fluffing it to see what I'm working with exactly, and you guys see that movement? Too cute. I'm going to now trim the excess hair, whatever is kind of like hanging down a little bit or making the wig out of shape. I'm just gonna go ahead and just trim those off. Just trimming them off and shaping the hair so that it has that nice curly, beautiful, bouncy look that I want it to have. And that's it. I'm done. guys, so I just did a little bit of trimming after putting the wig on, and I love it. The color, the body, it's everything. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys about the hair now. Please excuse the nursery rhymes in the background. Marla is watching her nursery rhymes. I just really wanted to come and show you guys, you know, the hair, and talk about the hair and tell you guys what I think, because I love this wig, guys. Like, this hair is from Lassie Beauty on Amazon. It's an Amazon store that sells different types of beauty items. She sells hair, hold on, she sells hair, makeup brushes, stuff like that, you know, cosmetic stuff. So she sent me this hair for review, and these are the Ombre One curls. I'm gonna have the direct link to the hair down below. It's also available in other colors, I believe. I'm gonna have the link down below to the store, as well as the direct link to these bundles of ombre kinky curly hair. I love it. I love how it goes, not necessarily from a black to a blonde, but like it's like a M1B30 to a 27 at the end. It's really nice. So yeah, the hair is very soft, I have to say that. It kind of did surprise me with the softness. Hold on, guys, I have like a couple strands of hair that are like in my face. Okay, so yeah, the hair is very soft to the touch. It's not coarse, it's not like uncomfortable touching your skin. It's not. Very, very soft. And this hair, having used kinky hair extensions, I can tell you that this hair is able to be recurled if it does. If you have it for a while, you definitely can recurl it with hot water. I got 6 packs of the hair. I used all 6 packs. Normally I don't use more than 4, but I don't know why, like, I just used all 6 and it gave me this big voluminous. I know I wanted something really big, so I am gonna be fluffing it further, but not yet. So that's why I kind of tried to like shape it, but I'm going to be making it more huge, just not now. But yeah, I'm really loving this hair, guys. It's so summer. The color combination is just very nice and unique for the summertime, so I think it's a good look. I am going to be just making it bigger, you know, over time, but yeah, I'm loving this unit, guys. Oh, by the way, please keep in mind this style can be installed as regular crochet braids. You don't have to use a wig. You know, you can do some cute, like some cornrows, and then have some of the one curls falling, especially if it's in black. That would look so cute. I think it also comes in like other colors, so you guys can go check it out. I hope you guys found this pretty simple in terms of the technique that I use to make the wig, because it's very easy. Like, it's like really easy. It's like super easy. So yeah, I love this hair so much, guys. This look is bomb. You guys were raving about it on Instagram and Snapchat, so I had to make the video to tell you guys what it is that I'm wearing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, the hair is from Lassie Beauty. It's an Amazon store. I'm gonna have the direct link to the store down below in the description bar. This is 6 packs of their ombre kinky curly hair, and I'm gonna have the direct link to the products down in the description bar. You guys should head on over, because she does have like other cosmetic products as well, as I said before. So yeah, go ahead and check out the website, check out the site, see everything that she has, and I'm pretty sure you'll find something to your liking. She has different types of wigs, like hair bundles like this and so on. You guys will really like the website, so go ahead and check it out. Link down below in the description. And the good thing is, all these products are very affordable. Not to break the bank, you don't like, it doesn't cost you much to like clear it or anything if you do get it here. You guys know customs has their $50 policy. As long as it's like under $50, you'll be fine. And yeah, guys, I don't know, like, I just love this hair. It's really nice. It's soft to the touch, and that was something that kind of did surprise me about it. So yes, I love it. Love it. I love how it comes packaged, by the way, in the little clear kind of like Ziploc bags. Love it. And she also gives you like some little accessories and stuff like that with your order. It's real nice. If you have any questions about the hair or anything like that, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this look, because I love it. Like, I love it. It's nice. So thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.